Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is Helping Others. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about collective nouns. Before this, in English for grade 4, I have taught you about collective nouns. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to recall and demonstrate use of more collective nouns. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Hujurat, verse 13, O humanity, indeed, we created you from a male and a female and made you into peoples and tribes so that you may get to know one another. Subhanallah. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. All human. This is a message for everyone. And what the message is? That Allah has created all of us from a male. And who that male is? Yes, Prophet Adam alayhi salam. And a female, our mother Eve or Hawa alayhi salam. So beta, we are created from one pair, so we all are equal. So only the tribes are there, or it is just to recognize, because we know we are huge in number. So to identify, to recognize each other, Allah has created us in different tribes, but basically we all are same. And we know, being Muslim, we know the better is one who is better in Iman and who is better in deeds. Right? So this is how we should remind to ourselves we all are same, but we have to good by doing good. All right? So now you tell me, here I want you to focus on this word as well, humanity, what this word is telling us. There are a lot of human beings and everyone has been addressed by the single word, and that word is humanity. So what such type of words are called in grammar? Remember? Okay. So also tell me, what do you know about collections and nouns like army, staff, herd? What are they? Okay. So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you remember and you could connect the way I was telling you. The way humanity is one word and it is about all the human beings, so it is a collective noun. Likewise, army, staff, herd, they are collective nouns, right? So what is a collective noun? A collective noun is a word referring to a collection. Okay, it refers to a collection. And what is, by the way, collection? More than one. There can be many, and they are collected for one thing, and that one thing, that one noun, that one word is called collective noun. Okay, it can be a collection of persons, places, or things, and they are taken as a whole. For example, family. Now when I say family, it is obvious it's a collective noun and it stands for one unit or a group, but consists of more than one person. Okay, there are more than one persons, and they collectively call as family. So this word, whenever I say family, it means more than one person, so it is collective noun, right? Here is the example. In family, when I say family, there are all the people which are included. They are there. They are grandparents, parents, children. So all together they make a family, and they are more than one persons, but this one word is referring to them. That's why this is a collective noun, right? So let's see, what does your book say about it. Collective nouns are words that represent groups of people, animals, or things. Here are more collective nouns that are used for groups of people, animals, or things. Group, you see, group itself is a collective noun. Group means more than one, like as a whole, all right? So here are a shoal of fish. When I say a shoal of fish, you can see beautiful fish, subhanallah. Shoal of fish, it's telling more than one, a lot of fish. So this word shoal is a collective noun. Next is a brood of chicken. So it's not one chick. Chicken and brood is telling it's more than one, it's a collective noun. A band of musicians. So band is a collective noun. A class of pupils. Class is collective noun, the way you are sitting in your classroom. So when I say class, it doesn't mean one student. A group of students are sitting together. That's why we call it class, and it's a collective noun. A flight of stairs. Okay, so it's a collective noun. A deck of cards. It's a collective noun. A litter of cups. Oh, okay, you see they are looking so cute, but still they are wild. Okay, so litter of cups is a collective noun. Okay, and one thing I want you to look at because we are taking it as a unit, that's why this one word is no doubt it's representing more than one, but because it is taken as one, that's why we treat it as a singular noun in sentences. All right. A collection of books. So collection is collective noun. All right. So how we use it, I was just telling you, for example, the team of players. Now team is a singular noun, that's why I have used is. The team of players is going for practice. So this is has been used because we take collective nouns as singular noun. Are you clear? Okay, the other example is the family. Now family is again, it's a collective noun. That's why is we have used because we use collective noun as singular nouns. Good, now you're smart, you're getting it. The family is going for a picnic in vacations, and here is a bunch of grapes. Okay, so these grapes are more than one, but why is have been used? Because we are focusing on collective noun, and that's bunch. Okay, the bunch of grapes is for you. All right, are you clear? Are you ready to practice it through an activity? Okay, so the activity is like this. Your teacher will divide the class into small teams and ensure that every team has a dictionary, and assign each team a different range of letters. For example, team 1 could be assigned A till D, like this is their range, and team 2 can have E till H, and so on. You will divide 26 letters by the number of teams, and you will allot them the assigned, like the range of letters. This is your range of letter, right? And after this, instruct the teams to look through their assigned letter to find collective nouns. Now from dictionary, within the range of their letter, they have to extract the collective nouns from dictionary. And now ask each member of team to come and write a sentence by using a collective noun from their list. For example, if their collective noun is army, so the child can write, an army of ants was marching on floor, and likewise each group will make sentences of the collective nouns from their list. Are you clear? Okay, so pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Very good. I know you enjoyed it a lot. Very nice. So all of you now settle down nicely because we are going to practice it from your book. You have to choose the correct collective noun. These are the sentences, and you have to select from the correct collective noun to complete the sentence. Pause the video, complete this exercise in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So quick and smart. It's time for your homework. You will write 10 sentences by using collective nouns. And here is a worksheet. Again, my fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, here is a collective nouns word bank given to you. You have to choose the correct from here to complete these sentences. Okay. So in this way, what we have learned, we learned that a collective noun is a word referring to a collection of persons, places, or things taken as a whole. And we recognized collective nouns and we used some naming words as collective nouns. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to recall and demonstrate use of more collective nouns. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself.